Hey dolls, so today we're going to be first of all, excuse the mess in my background. I'm in the middle of preparing my home for Easter and spring decor, so stay tuned, there's going to be a video coming up next week. So as you can probably tell from the title, we're going to be doing a DIY video. Just like my kitchen jars that I did, we are going to be making some more jars, but for the bathroom. A lot of you loved the kitchen jars. I got so many compliments on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere I put that jar, like everywhere I like posted it, everyone's like, oh my god, I love them. I'm taking just a plain basic jar from Dollar Tree and making it very glam and luxurious looking, and I decided if I can have them for the kitchen, I'm going to do it for the bathroom as well. I want it to look very glam and spa-like, so we're going to be doing that today. So on that note, grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this glam bathroom spa-like DIY video. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share this video. You're gonna love it. Let's go. Seriously dolls, ignore the background. I'm in the middle of a haul video. I'm in the middle of a DIY video. I'm in the middle of so many videos that I'm just, this is life, okay? So ignore the background. I hate when my background's messy, but life happens. So yeah, let's get started. So dolls, these are the items you're going to need for your project. I am, by the way, filming this in my kitchen because I love the backdrop of my kitchen more than I love the black splash of my bathroom. So we're going to do everything here. But yeah, so you're going to need these jars from Dollar Tree. I love these jars. You can either use the short one or the tall one. I made many in different sizes, depending where I'm placing it in my bathroom. So they have this short one, the short one and the tall one. I like both of them, so they're from Dollar Tree. We're going to be spray painting this, and you're going to also need this paint here. It's Sweet Pea by Rust-Oleum. That's what I'm going to be using to spray paint the top. I'm going to link everything down below. I also got these from London, and it is by a seller on Etsy. She customized these gorgeous like gold. I should have done this in white. I'm going to keep saying it throughout this video. Gold is lovely, but the white would have popped against all the pink stuff that I'm putting inside the containers. So if I were you, I'll order it in white. So I'm going to redo this in white font instead of gold, but the gold is still very gorgeous, as you can see. And at the same time, I'm going to be using these. I got these online on Amazon, and I'm going to link them down below. I cut these strips into pieces. I'm going to be using these. Back to the labels. I know I'm going to get questions a lot. By the way, there's her name, Chloe. She makes them on Etsy. And I'm going to get questions. She gave me a free one for practice, which was so sweet. So Chloe, I know you're going to be watching this video. Thank you so much for giving me a free sticker for practice. It really helps. So she's given me a free extra one. And basically what I wanted to say about them is that these stickers, I lost my train of. What I wanted to say was these stickers take about 2 weeks to come. It's not that bad, all the way from London. So it's not a long wait. It took 2 weeks to get here. So that's not bad, less than 2 weeks. So order them from her. And on top of that, not only did it take less than 2 weeks, this size actually fits these jars perfectly. I don't know how she got the measurements right, but they fit perfectly. I didn't even tell her how big these jars are. So the next item you're going to need is these knobs. I got them from Amazon. It's a set of like 20 of them. Very cheap. And this is optional, but these are going to be going on top of the jar. So you can do that. You don't have to. I just like it. And finally, you're going to need something to fill your jar with. And I'm going to be filling mine on camera with these I got from the store, these pink Dove soaps. They smell so good. So I have 3 things I'm going to be filling. I'm going to be using the soap bars. I'm going to be using some, what's it called? Bath bombs and bath fizz. And I'm also going to be using pink bath salts. So that's all I'm going to be filling my 3 bathroom jars with. So that's all you need. Now we're going to spray paint these jars. So the jar lids are dry now. I gave it many hours to dry because I really want everything to be perfect and not have my fingerprints in it. You have to really like wait a really long time for this to dry. So I'm just going to put the lids on and all the magic's going to start. I'm going to take this rhinestone and I'm going to put it across the edge. So I already have one that's cut into how many I want, and here it is. I'm just going to go all the way around this, and it's so easy. You don't have to like glue it. So as you can see, it's got like a sticky side to it. So I'm just going to start here, and I can actually take it off because I think that's easier. And then I'm just going to get really close to the camera so you can see it. And you're just going to go around. This is so easy, like so easy to do. It's not even funny. I'm just going to go all the way around. And the thing I like about it is that you can easily peel it off as well. So yeah, this is so easy to do. I'm going to link this down below on Amazon where you can get the rhinestone from. This is how it looks like when you're done. And if you want it more shiny, you can get AB crystals. And AB crystals look just like the one in my background. They have like colours underneath it. This one is clear, but those that my light switches have my light cover switches or whatever. My covers that you see over there in the corner have AB crystals, and they have reflect any kind of colour that's on it because they have like undertones. So now we are going to do the label. And we're just going to add the label on, which is the fun part and the easy part. And we're going to do that right now. So you have to be very, very careful with this. So what you're going to do is you have to, wherever you want it to be, you have to wipe down that area with like alcohol wipes. I'm going to be using my sanitizer, and this has alcohol in it. So I'm going to just wipe this area down very, very well and dry it. I'm going to dry this off, make sure it's very dry and cleaned with alcohol so it can stick on there really well. I'm going to take my sticker and I'm going to just peel it very, very gently. I've got long nails. I hate when I have long nails and I have to do a DIY. It's never fun. It's going to take forever. Okay, finally we got it off. So I'm going to eyeball it. I think I want it right here because once you do it, it's done. You can't take it back. Like, you can't take it back, it's done. And my favourite part is to peel it. Okay, so make sure this is done really good. You can just use your fingernails and press it down and then just gently peel it. As I said, I'm going to do white next time because I want it to stand out against the pink, but the gold is really pretty as well. Look at that. This says soap bars. I have to move this out of the way so you can really see. Soap bars. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The gold is gorgeous. So now I'm going to do the top. Okay, so you can use a screwdriver and screw it and everything in, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to use hot glue. And because I'm not going to be touching, I'm going to just be opening this part. You don't take it off like this. This is just for vanity. So I'm just sticking it in the middle. It's just for looks. I don't mind if it falls off. I'll just stick it back on again. But because I open it this way, you screw it round instead of pulling it. I think that is perfect like that. Now, if you want it to be more secure because you're going to be clumsy, then you can screw it in just for more safety. But I think I just love it like that. I think it just looks so luxe and so pretty, and it's easy to make. So that's done. Now we're basically done. So we're going to fill this all in with our pink soap. And I love that. That's the fun part. So I'm just going to unscrew this. I can't believe she's done. So pretty. And then I'm now going to fill this jar up. So good. I'm going to give you a bit of ASMR as I open this up. This is so pleasing doing this. I don't know why. It just makes me, the smell of it and just, oh, they're just so lush, so gorgeous. Like, you're going to want to take a bath every minute of the day. How gorgeous is that? So I'm just going to fill the jar up and put all the soap inside. And it came out gorgeous. I did like everything off camera because I wanted to record it for TikTok, me stacking them together. It looks so gorgeous. I am now going to, and I also did a little setup here for you to see how it looks like, giving you total Glam spa vibes. I love it. I just love it. My bathroom is now complete. I have all of the stuff I want. Similar to my kitchen, the bathroom is now just perfection. So I'm going to show you how all the other stuff came out with it. But look at this spa retreat look. I think it's so gorgeous. I love it. It's just the little details. So I want to show you how this looks like. You can play up with size. So I have the big one for the bar soaps, the bigger bath bombs in here, and then these ones, bath salts. So I made some to go. These are all going to go around my bathtub. So you can play up with size and different stuff inside it. So I just want to show you how that came out. So I made some smaller ones, smaller jars as well. And I just love it. I think it's so pretty. It really is like the prettiest bathroom essentials ever. Like I have bath salts and I have bath bombs and then bath bars. I think they're just so pretty, and I love the height with the different sizes. I think it's gorgeous. And here are my bigger jars. I think I like these ones better. I just love all of them, but I love how 3 of them look like, I don't know, they just look like they're in a spa. They look so gorgeous, and you can see how easy and quick this was to make. They look so expensive. I don't even know which one I like better, but they're all just gorgeous. This one has different bath bombs from the other one, and I just love how luxurious they look. They look so expensive. Bath salts. And I customize each of the words, so you can name them what you want. I asked her to do this, so I'll have the link down below to her store for your font. You can even change your font, but I love this font for my bathroom, and it just came out really good. I'm just obsessed. Like, it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Like, seriously, I'm obsessed. I don't even know what I'm doing.